Mikey! How are you, man?
Hey, brother, I'm back.
Yeah?
I'm
Oh,
back.
yeah? I wasn't sure if you were going to show today, long weekend and everything, and you sounded a bit croaky yesterday. I wasn't sure.
Well, you know me.
Yeah.
You know me, mate. It's either coughing or
Yeah,
camping.
that's
But
right.
no, I'm back, and I've enjoyed seeing the fun on your faces over there with all of the boxes arriving. What have you got?
Oh, we've got way too much fun currently. The two stage races from Erica arrived yesterday, and within an hour and a half, the units were unboxed, added to inventory, and were running. The guys had it running. I have to say, the GUI is just amazing. It is so simple. It's so straightforward. So easy to use. For the people that don't know what a stage racer is, come on here, Mr. Head of Technology.
Well, look, it's a 1RU box, 12 SDIOs or 24. There's analog audio, AES3, MADI, Dante. You can have a mic line option as well, and then send all of that, the audio, the video, the control, the intercom down a piece of single mode fiber. So very, very cool. I don't know if I said MADI, but there's MADI on there too. Like you said, the config's awesome, and you don't have to have the boxes in your personal presence to configure them too. So if you want to have a look at that, our team can certainly show you how these guys come together.
Yeah, and we're very excited. We're in the final stages of building our new pad van, which I hope to be able to show at the Sydney Christmas party in December, which those stage races will go into. Also in there will be the new RTW TM5, which we have finally back in stock after you constantly keep selling them. Also new in our demo stock will be the Proton high frame rate camera. We're very excited about that. And we've got the Proton PIOE. And then we have
Power any of the Proton cameras with that. It's very, very cool.
Very cool. And then also second Bolin EXU248 camera, because the one demo one we had was consistently out. So we just wanted to have one so that we can play with it as well.
Yeah, I know that little tally light in the windscreen wiper is very cute, isn't it? But as you said, Christmas is just around the corner. If you haven't received your invite, call Bree. Otherwise, I'm going to roll out the red carpet for you in your high heels, Paddy, because it's also the New Zealand opening as well, our office.
Yeah, I hope there's some of their whiskey still left that I brought last time I was there, and looking forward to the opening in Auckland and hanging out with some of our... Mike? You still hear me?
But yes, sorry, yes.
Oh, there was some disruption, was there? Yeah, okay. Someone's going out to buy some whiskey before I arrive and take it. All right. Mate, you have a good long weekend, and I'll talk to you soon, all right?
Later, bro.
Take care, brother. Bye.